everyone, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we'll proceed on the equation of the parabola. Let's go to the equation of parabola opening up and also opening down. Okay, so as I mentioned before in the previous video, the parabola of opening up is very similar to the equation of quadratic, which is y equal to x squared. How about parabola opening down? The general formula is y equal to minus x squared. So we will build our formula from these two general formula. So let's see the general formula of parabola opening up. Let's write again y equal to x squared, but this time write the x squared, the squared on your left hand side, and also write y on your right hand side. Okay, so you can see here that the basic formula of quadratic is still here. Okay, but I just rearrange the left hand side and also the right hand side. Next, what we need to do is, for x, we always minus h, y, we minus it with k, and then we multiply the linear part, the y part here, with 4a. So this is the general formula of parabola opening. Let us see here, x minus h squared, and this side here is y minus k, where this h and this k here is actually your vertex. And you need to multiply 4a here in front of your linear y here. And then this a is actually the distance from vertex to your directrix, and also the distance of your vertex towards your focus. So this is a here. So that is the general formula of parabola opening up. So let's see now the general formula of parabola opening down. Let's write again. The square, you put it on your left hand side. The linear y, you put it on your right hand side. But now you have a minus here because now it is opening down. Okay, so we put minus at the linear part. So let's add here. For x, we always minus h. For y, we always minus it with k. In front of the linear y here, we put in multiply towards 4a. So this is now the general formula of parabola opening down with x minus h squared on your left hand side. On your right hand side is minus 4a, y minus k. So actually this h and this k here is your vertex. And in front of this linear y here, you have a coefficient of minus 4e. Let us see now the general formula for graph of opening right and also opening left. Okay, let's write the general quadratic formula first. This is just equal to x equal to y squared for the general formula. And for this one, x is equal to minus y squared. So let us write the general formula right now, where your square will be on your left hand side and your linear will be on your right hand side. So let's put in x always minus with your h, y always minus towards your k, and you need to multiply coefficient 4a in front of the linear. So this is now the equation of parabola opening right, where your y is minus k squared equal to 4a x minus h. So this h and this k here is actually your vertex, and this a here is the distance just now from vertex to directrix or from vertex to focus. Now let us continue with equation of the graph parabola opening to the left. So we know that this is the general equation of a quadratic of opening left. However, we need to rearrange first The quadratic, put it on your left hand side. For linear, you put it on the right hand side. Don't forget now you have a minus because the graph is opening to the left. Alright, for x, we always minus it with h. For y, we will always minus it with k. And then the coefficient in front of your linear, multiply it with 4a. Therefore, this is the general formula for parabola. Y minus k squared equal to minus 4a x minus h. So here goes your formula in a table that have been arranged. This is actually a snapshot from your textbook. So you have all of this for parabola opening up here. This is the formula. This is a formula for parabola opening down. This is formula for parabola opening right. And this is the formula for parabola opens left. Don't worry about the formula of your focus and also your directrix here, because if you draw it, if you sketch the graph, inshallah, you can see where is the focus and where is the directrix without memorizing all of this. And it's written here also, the length of lattice rectum is equal to 4a. That's all for this video.